Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Homemade Father's Day gift ideas for kids. Father's Day is one of those rare days when the man of the house gets the attention he deserves. You can make your father feel really special this Father's Day by gifting him a wonderful Father's Day handmade gift. Gifting is an expression of love. Make this Father's Day memorable with one of these heartfelt DIY gifts. Moustache mug. What you will need: a mug, black marker, a light colored pen or pencil, gel peel, black color, butter paper, hot glue. How to make: go for a mug that is preferably light in color so that your moustache can stand out really well. On a butter paper, draw a moustache. Now, squeeze the gel to cover the entire moustache. Once the gel dries, peel it off. Position the gel moustache on the mug, perpendicular to the handle, parallel to the brim, such that it comes right below the nose when somebody drinks from the cup. Once you are happy with the position of the moustache, mark the point with a black marker. Then stick the gel moustache with some hot glue. If you are feeling a little colorful, you can use as many colors of the peel of gel as you have instead of using a black gel. Scratch card gifts. What you will need: design paper, 1 thick white paper, 1 A4 sheet, cardboard, as big as the design paper, metallic paint, glue, transparent tape, a pencil, a marker pen, paintbrush, scissors. How to make: take the thick white paper and draw 3 rectangles on it using a pencil. Cut them out properly using scissors. Write 3 gift ideas on the cutouts using a marker. These could be anything from your dad's favorite food to a movie he wants to watch. Write them beautifully on those 3 cards. Cover the cards with transparent tape so that the writing part is totally covered. Take a brush and paint the cards with some metallic paint and let it dry. Now, cover the cardboard sheet with the design paper to make a nice coupon card of sorts. Take some glue and stick the 3 cards onto the cardboard sheet. A lovely photo collage. What you will need: digital camera, color printer, white sketchboard and pen, white cardboard, in the size of the photo frame, sketch pens. How to make: bring together all the members of the family. Each one has to think of one thing about your dad that they love the most. If you have a small toddler in the house, come up with something interesting for him. Then, everyone takes turns to write their reason on the white sketchboard using the pen and poses for a photo with it. Each photo is clicked in sequence, with every person wiping the board clean and writing their own message on it. When all the photos are clicked, print them out. Depending on the number of pictures, you will have to choose a base and photo frame accordingly. Stick these photos on the white cardboard. Use sketch pens to color the remaining areas or make it even more colorful. Slide the cardboard inside the photo frame and let it sit on the table as a surprise for Dad. Making a beautiful and interesting DIY Father's Day gift is not a tough task. With some household items and a few creative tricks, you can make sure your dad has a gala time on a day meant to celebrate him.